Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little bit and today I'm going to be doing Miss Rosalie's 3-month update, even though now she's kind of closer to 5 months. It's been a little bit and as you can tell she is getting so big. So I'm just going to go and just tell you her updates for when she was 3 months before it gets too late. I'll just start with myself. There's not really much to update on besides postpartum hair loss set in, and that is really intense. Like, I wasn't expecting so much to come out. My hair feels so much thinner now. It's still about the same length, but just clumps and clumps come out. I have to clean out my brush so often and pretty upsetting, but yeah, so that started right around the 3-month mark and it's still going on now around 5 months, but not as heavily. She's getting tired, so I'm gonna make this pretty fast. But also for me, I've had more anxiety ever since having her, and that's just been an ordeal trying to manage that. Still haven't had a period, and I don't think I will have one probably until I'm either done breastfeeding or, you know, she starts eating solids and will be eating less. That's when I'm guessing it'll come back, if it does. I'm back to my pre-pregnancy weight, back around 3 months, so that's something nice, I guess. And my acne has been really bad ever since breastfeeding. I don't know if it's just like the hormones or what, but it like fluctuates through these periods of, you know, getting really bad and then not. So I'm not really sure what to do about that because you can't really use, like, you know, too many creams or anything on your face since I am breastfeeding. But I do wash my face like twice a day, moisturize, and that's really all I can do at the moment. So on to Miss Rosalie. She is in size 3 diapers, and even now she still is. But yeah, at 3 months she transitioned into size 3 from size 2 because she's a big girl. We weighed her and she was about 18 pounds. 18 pounds. That's actually a little off now I think about it, because she just had her 4-month appointment not like a week or 2 ago, and she was like 17 and a half. So that's not too accurate. As you can tell, she likes to grab. You grabbing mom's hair. So yeah, she was probably somewhere around 16 pounds, 16 and a half at 3 months. She's in size 3 months onesies, sleepers, but size 3 to 6 pants. She got a little junk in the trunk. She started grabbing at her toys more, and you could just tell that she's becoming like more aware of her surroundings, looking around further. She could like see me from across the room, and she responds to her name and everything, which is really fun. For nap time, she's starting to nap more independently. If you've been following, she is a baby that would never want to be put down, would always cry and fuss if we put her down in like the swing or her bassinet or anything. But we started a nap time routine, and just having that consistency has helped her nap independently a lot more. We're still working on it because she uses a lot of like sleep crutches, I guess, like, you know, nursing to sleep and being rocked and stuff. So now we're trying to wean her out of that, kind of like a gentle sleep training, if you can call it that. So that's what we're working on right now. But it's been nice being able to not have to hold her for every nap and throughout the night and stuff. She starts to laugh a lot more and just smiling. She always tries to sit up. She does like little like ab crunches, it almost looks like, and she gets frustrated because she wants to sit up so bad. She did roll over, and she has been rolling over, which is really fun. I actually got it, caught that on video too. So that's gonna be nice to look back on too. She loves her jolly jumper. She'll just sit in there and just jump for like 40-50 minutes straight. She loves that thing. She still likes being in the carrier when we go out places, but luckily now she's starting to like the stroller more, because she did hate the car seat in the stroller. As long as it's facing outward and she can see what's going on, she likes being in it. What else? She still loves Cocomelon and also Boss Baby. She's been watching that on TV. She likes any sort of screen, just, you know, the colors and the sounds. She still loves her, it's called an O-Ball. I don't know if you've seen one of those. Just this little toy that helped her learn how to grab objects better. And let's see. So stuff she doesn't like. She still didn't really like the stroller that much at the time. I mean, now that she's getting a little older, she's starting to, like I said. And she still doesn't take a bottle or a pacifier. We've tried like every kind you can think of. She just doesn't want it. I've even tried like having her like half asleep and tried giving her pacifier to see, and she still knows the difference and won't take it, or spill it, or she'll spit it out. One more thing that she does really like is bath time. She loves to be in the bath and splash around in the water. And the only other note I really have is that at 3 months is when we, well, I guess left her for like the first time, not overnight or anything, just for like an hour to go to the gym. I left her with my mom, and that actually went really well. I was unsure how that went, because sometimes she like seems, you know, extra clingy and stuff, and I gotta get her to bed. She's tired, but hey, no big, almost done. Yeah, the only reason I was really, you know, kind of nervous about that is because she doesn't take a bottle, so in case she was hungry. But before we leave, we just make sure that, you know, to feed her so that she's full. And we haven't left more than like an hour and a half just for that reason. So I need to keep working on the bottle situation, so hopefully I can leave for, you know, a couple hours and go do something. But I think that's the majority of her 3-month updates. And she is still in the 99th percentile for her height. I think 95th for weight, 92 I think it was for head. So she's right on track with her growth. And yeah, she's getting so much more fun as she gets older. I mean, newborns are just like, you know, cute little cuddly beings, I guess, but now she's starting to, you know, play and grab at her toys, and she's definitely a character getting her own little personality, so it's really cute to see. So it's time for nap time. Alright, so I guess we will see you next time in our next video. Bye!